Hi everybody. So today would be a little intense topic. Do adenoids affect your teeth? Very common thing coming up. Does your child snore? Does he keep his mouth open while sleeping? Or do you find drooling to be there? If you see these three signs, contact your dentist who will thereafter refer you to an ENT. But why am I talking about it? Mainly because if you have these conditions, in the future, there can be open bite, malaligned teeth, narrow jaws, or crooked teeth. That will affect us. So it's better to get your adenoid treated. In most cases, they remove the adenoid. It's a daycare procedure, a very simple procedure, but it's like a precaution. It's like a vaccine. You visit your dentist today, who visits the ENT today, get the procedure done, and in the future, have beautiful smiling teeth, also which curves down on many different medical breathing issues. Keep watch. Does your child snore? Thank you.